My kid is very frightened of maths. What do I do? So many parents ask me. And the first thing I'd say is just chill. First, just chill. I mean, nothing is going to happen if the child does not do math very well for some time. And then take a step back and analyze. Is it the teacher? If the teacher is not relating to the child, then it's time to talk to the teacher or to the school. Is it the content? Is the content suddenly very hard? Then it's time to organize extra help. Is it that the child is different? The child learns maths differently? Then it's time to create an ecosystem using multiple intelligences so the child is stress-free and can learn. Only when we are chilled out and we are relaxed would we be able to understand, analyze and find the correct reason. Thank you.